Hey there, welcome to Wireless Solutions. Today we are exploring Kinemaster, a powerful app that serves as a great substitute for iMovie on both Android and iOS platforms. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned video editor, Kinemaster has everything you need to create stunning videos. Let us start first with the basics. What is iMovie? iMovie is a free video editing application made by Apple for the Mac, the iPhone, and the iPad. It includes a range of video effects and tools designed to be accessible to users with little or no video editing experience. However, if you are looking for a substitute for iMovie, Kinemaster is a great choice. It is a versatile video editing app available for both Android and iOS platforms. Kinemaster offers many similar features to iMovie, such as user-friendly interface, multi-layer editing, effects and transitions, audio features, and export options. It is a popular choice among mobile video editors and can be a solid alternative to iMovie depending on your editing needs and platform preference. Now, let us dive in and discover how to use Kinemaster to edit and enhance your videos. Section 1. Getting started with Kinemaster. First, if you haven't already, download Kinemaster from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and sign up or log in if you already have an account. On opening Kinemaster, you will be greeted by a clean and intuitive interface. It will then ask for certain permissions for you to finally add and edit your project. The main screen displays your recent projects if you already have, and a plus or edit button to start a new project. Tap on it to get started. Section 2. Basic Video Editing. Let us begin with some basic video editing. After starting a new project, you will see your video timeline at the bottom of the screen. Number 1. Trimming and Splitting. To trim your video, simply drag the handles at the edges of the video on the timeline. You can also split your video into multiple clips by tapping on it and selecting Split. Number 2. Adding Transitions. Add transitions between clips. Tap on the transitions icon between two clips on the timeline. Choose from a variety of transitions like Fade, Glide, or Dissolve. Number 3. Adjusting Speed. Adjust the speed of your video by tapping on the clip, then selecting Speed Control. Speed up or slow down your video to create dramatic effects. Section 3. Audio and Voiceovers. Now let us talk about audio. Kinemaster allows you to add music, voiceovers, and sound effects to your videos. Number 1. Adding music. Tap on the audio button, then music to add music tracks from your device library. You can adjust the volume and trim the music to fit your video perfectly. Number 2. Voiceovers. Record a voiceover, tap on the audio button, then voice and start recording. You can adjust the voiceover's volume and position it on the timeline. Section 4. Special Effects and Enhancements. Kinemaster offers a range of special effects and enhancements to elevate your videos. 1. Filters and Effects. Explore a variety of filters and effects by tapping on the Effects button. Apply effects like sepia, vintage, or glitch to give your video a unique look. Number 2. Overlay and Layers. Add overlays and layers to your video by tapping on the Layer button. You can add images, stickers, or even another video layer for picture-in-picture effects. Section 5. Exporting and Sharing your video. Once you have finished editing your video, it is time to share it with the world. 1. Exporting. Tap on the Export button at the top right corner of the screen. Choose your desired resolution and file format. Kinemaster supports high-resolution exports up to 4K. Number 2. Sharing. To share your video directly from the app, tap on the Share button. You can share your masterpiece on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, or save it to your device. And there you have it. A complete guide on how to use Kinemaster to edit and enhance your videos right from your devices. Whether you are editing for social media or personal projects, Kinemaster offers powerful tools to bring your creativity to life. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.